Hello, I'm Mayor Ken Moore.
Hi, I'm City Administrator Eric Stuckey.
We'd like to take a moment to speak to you about the city's response to COVID-19 or the coronavirus. We're currently working with the CDC, the State Health Department, the Williamson County Health Department, and Office of Emergency Management.
The City of Franklin is following CDC guidelines as it relates to public gatherings and looking at restrictions around gatherings of 50 people or more. With that in mind, we've canceled a number of city events or postponed those events and looked at those scheduled through the end of April. Those include our Arbor Day celebration, the tree planting event, the Kids Arts Fest, and Movies in the Park, all of which were scheduled in April. And Senior Bingo has been canceled until further notice.
And the CDC's current guidelines recommend avoiding crowds of greater than 50 people for the next 2 months. So we're currently working with groups that are scheduling events that are greater than 50 folks, and we'll work with them to reschedule at a future date.
As far as city meetings, we're looking at those as well. Tonight's historic zoning meeting has been postponed. We'll look for a new date. Stay tuned for that. We have 2 other meetings later this week that we plan to hold them in a virtual setting. That will include our Budget and Finance Committee meeting, which is Thursday afternoon, and the Public Arts Commission. Stay tuned for those. You can watch the Budget and Finance Committee meeting on Facebook Live, on YouTube, and on the city's website, franklintn.gov. So stay tuned for that. We'll also be looking at our scheduling of meetings through the rest of the month.
And under the guidance of the Tennessee Supreme Court, Franklin City Court is now closed, and there will be no in-person appearances or proceedings until the end of March.
So we're also providing a lot of information to you. The city website, franklintn.gov, has a useful link that takes you to the county website related to public health. We'll provide a specific city page that will have event updates and different information related to city services on it as well. Stay tuned to that. Again, franklintn.gov. The city is also working closely with emergency management. We're getting daily briefings. We're doing morning briefings here at the city to make sure we're up to date on the needs of the community. You can go to williamsonready.org and get county information, community-wide information, and also some great links to the CDC, State Health Department, and other reliable information sources.
Franklin is a great community, and we have a history of pulling together, and now's the time for us to continue to pull together. Let's help our neighbors. As to grocery shopping, take only what you need. If you feel like you may have symptoms, stay home, stay away from others, call your doctor for further information.
As far as the city, we're here to serve. Our services remain available to the community and to all of our residents. Public safety is ready to respond to any needs you have. They are following additional guidelines from CDC. Personal protective equipment is available to them as well, and they're using those appropriately given the situations and the calls that they receive. We also are continuing trash pickup. We did receive some tough news today that our recycling processor is unable to handle our recycling. So we will be putting recycling on hold for some period of time. We'll update you as we hear more on that, and that's a developing situation. Also, if you want to make payments, we want to encourage you that you don't have to come to City Hall to do those. You can do them online, or you can call in and make that payment with a credit card. In line with that, to make that even easier, any credit card fees that you might have paid previously are being removed, so you can just make the direct payment. There's no additional fee associated with it. Again, your city government is here to serve you.
And we're going to continue to work together to get the latest information to you. And we'll be reaching out to you daily, either on social media or the city website, to update you.